This is being made. Thank you so much for joining us as we take a minute in the Bible. Category number 9. We had judges, remember. Category number 8. Judges. The people ask for something, God gives it to them. What they ask for is a king. We want to be like the nations around us. They thought that'd just be the thing to do. God says that's not going to be good for you. But he gives it to them. He gives them a king. Now in this category there are only 3 kings. We call this the United Kingdom. When we say United Kingdom, that implies the kingdom will be divided, doesn't it? But we had Saul, and then we had David and his son Solomon. So many great stories in that. God gave them Saul. He gave them what they thought they wanted. Later he replaced Saul with a man after his own heart named David. And then David has a son named Solomon who will be the wisest man who ever lived beside Jesus. And he'll rule during a time of great prosperity. But that's going to bring us to some problems. And that'll move us into our next category. Join us next time as we take a minute in the Bible.